In this video, we'll show you how to download your Microsoft exam certificate and scorecards. First, visit learn.microsoft.com and sign in using your Microsoft account. Ensure you're logging in with your personal account, such as hotmail.com or outlook.com, instead of a work or school account. Navigate to your user profile. Select Credentials, and then go to the Certifications tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your past exams and certifications. Click on View Certification Details. From this page, you can access your Microsoft exam certificate. To download it as a PDF file, click on the print link. Additionally, you can create a shareable link for the certificate to share with others. Anyone with the link will be able to view details about your certification. Alternatively, if you'd like to download or create a shareable link for all your certificates, select the transcript option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.